Good morning. Here we are once again. Now, yes, just as Mia said, we're going to be opening our monthly glove box, our subscription detailing box that comes every month. We've been really busy lately. Everything is a mess. Mia just had her 7th birthday. So she's super excited and she's playing with all of her Legos and all her other stuff that she got. But I wanted to go ahead and quickly do this so we could get it out the way, see what we got, and go from there. So, Mia, let's check out this month's glove box. We got a step-by-step guide with no instructions on it. Now it just has QR code. But let's check it out. We got a towel. Mia loves towels. It doesn't matter what color they are, although she prefers what color?
Pink.
Pink. Those are her favorite towels. You send a pink towel, she will be super happy. But she loves towels. She likes how soft and fuzzy they are on one side, and generally a much tighter nap on the other side. So let's get into our products here that we have. It looks like we have products from 3D this month. So we got 3D SiO2 ceramic trim restore. Now this is part of their newer series. It says GLW series. Of course it's not open for safety, but let's see. It actually doesn't smell too bad. I don't know how well it'll work, but it actually smells pretty good in my opinion. Let's see what Mia thinks.
It doesn't smell that strong, but it does smell like butterflies and oranges and flowers.
So do you like the smell of it?
Yeah.
I think we should try it out. I think this would be really good. We can put it on like mommy's trim, things like that, see if it brightens it up. It's a hydrophobic plastic protectant. So we'll give this a try. This looks interesting from 3D. We also have Quick Detailer from 3D. Now I'm not a fan of like quick detailers. They're just like smudge removers, things like that. But you always have to have one with you. I prefer to use like waterless wash mixed up as a quick detailer, but it is what it is. It doesn't smell too bad. Mia, what do you think of the smell on the quick detailer?
It smells like strawberries, but very, very strong smell.
It smells like strong strawberries or very soft strawberries? Like you can barely smell it.
I can barely smell the strawberries and the rest of it.
Okay, so it's not strong enough to smell. It needs to smell more like strawberries.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll check this out. And then finally, we have bug remover, enzyme-based bug remover. Bug removers generally have a very citrusy smell, and they usually smell good in my opinion, not everybody's, but this does not smell like a traditional bug remover. It actually doesn't.
I smell.
To me, it doesn't have that bug remover smell, which is kind of disappointing because I like that smell. Mia, go ahead, smell.
It smells like soap. Yay!
Yeah, it smells like soap. It's just pretty basic, but I actually enjoyed the bug remover smell, so I'm kind of sad that they took that smell away. But we'll give this a try.
I like the soap.
We don't really have to deal with bugs as much where I am, but when we're driving far, we do. So we'll use this. Mia, what do you rate everything out of 10 just based on what you see? What do you think of the trim restore? Out of 10. Smell-wise, Daddy really likes this one. This one's more like a 10 out of 10 smell-wise to me.
9.9.
9.9. What about the quick detailer? This is the one that you said smelled like strawberries, but very softly. It didn't smell strong enough. This one would be like a 6 out of 10 for me.
It would be like a 4 out of 10 for me.
Oh my gosh. And then the bug remover, I was not a fan of because I actually like the real smell of bug remover. I like that citrusy. So this is like a 2 out of 10 for me.
I give that a 9.9 out of 10. I really like soap.
Yeah, I know. So that's our quick initial thoughts. We'll update more as we take a look at all this stuff and dive more into like individual series and things like that. But thank you for joining us as always. We really appreciate it. We know we've been really busy with cheer season is starting. Mia is now on the sophomore cheer team. She's going to be trying out for cheer captain this year.
And you guys Daddy's our lead parent.
And I am team dad, so I'm gonna help get the snacks for all the girls and things like that. And mommy's team mom. So we are really heavily involved. So we don't have as much opportunity to make things as often as we used to, but we're still gonna stay in touch. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.